A Panda Posse production. Harry Potter and the mysterious ticking noise? What is that mysterious ticking noise? And not over there. It's kind of catchy. Snape. Snape. Severus. Snape. Snape. Severus. Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Snape. Severus. Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape. Severus. Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape.
Ron!
Snape.
Ron!
Severus.
Ron Weasley! Dumbledore! Ron!
Severus.
Ron Weasley! Dumbledore!
Severus. Snape.
Ron Weasley! Dumbledore!
Severus. Snape.
Dumbledore! Dumbledore! I'm Harry Potter. Ron.
Snape.
Weasley. Dumbledore. Harry Potter. Ron Weasley. Dumbledore. Ron Weasley. Dumbledore.
Song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking.
1 second.
Please don't take just a minute. It's a pipe bomb!
Yay! Boom! Give me a beat, guys. Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort. What the bleep? Am I too late yet again? Mellow, this is your fault!
Run! I've always loved you!